Spicy miso wonton soup. Unbelievable. This is my go-to when I'm not in the mood. I just don't have the energy to cook anything. One pot, easy. All you'll need your favorite broth, but you can also just use water because we're adding miso paste. Wakame seaweed. I also put gochujang in it, but that's optional. And then the star of the show are these chicken cilantro mini wontons. I always have these in my freezer. I always have miso paste in my fridge, and I always have wakame seaweed in my pantry. So I can always make this. And it's so easy. Let me show you. I'm gonna add my beef bone broth to the pan. And then I'm also doing equal parts water. You don't need to use broth, you could just use water. The miso paste is really what's making the base of the soup. And then bring that up to a boil. While we're bringing that up to a boil, I have my miso paste. I have a half cup of hot water. I'm gonna add a little over a generous tablespoon. I'm also gonna mix our gochujang into this. I hope I'm saying this right. This just depends on how spicy you like it. You don't have to even use it. I like a little spice, so I'm gonna add about a little under a tablespoon and just get it all mixed up, every little bit. Perfect. And this is starting to bubble, so I'm gonna add in our miso mixture. I'm gonna add in about 2 tablespoons of wakame. This stuff expands like crazy, so a little goes a long way. I'm a psycho, but I also like to eat it dry. It's just so good, it's like a salty little snack. And I'm gonna add our wontons. This is about 2 to 3 servings of soup, so I'm gonna do like 12. And then keep that on medium heat. When I was a kid, every time I was sick, my mom would make me miso soup. She didn't order it in, she made it. This is something that I grew up doing, so this is kind of like my take on it now. This is in no way miso soup, and I'm not trying to call it that, but it's really delicious, and it kind of just like warms you from the inside out. And there she is. And that's it.